Editing video is a simple method than you think. Here I will guide you how to edit a video like pro within easy steps. I use Filmora to edit video. It is very simple video editing software to edit video, and this need only less than 800 MB. The official download page is in the description. Open Filmora and click New Project. You can either import media or drag video into it. After you open your video, drag it to the timeline frame and click Don't Change. You can adjust time frame size by just dragging here. You can crop your videos by the crop button. Also, pan and zoom is available.
I've got to get away from here! I've got to get away from here!
If you want to cut your video part, click the part where you want to cut and then press Ctrl+B. Now the single video is being splitted. You can reduce video by dragging from first part or at the last part. You can add music just like you add video. And can edit the music just like video. Transition to multiple videos can be applied here with this tool. Extra text and titles can be added using this. Select the desired text style and format and double-click on it or drag it to timeline. Double-click the text in the timeline to enter the advanced text editing page. Here you can add shadow effects and animation to your text. If you want full quality video while editing, click the render preview or just tap enter key. After your editing is done, just click Export. Here you can select various file format for your video. Select the resolution and frame rate. I prefer 60 FPS for better result and the real resolution of your current video. For best outcome, we can use MP4. Select specific location to which you want to save your video. Remember to check the Enable GPU rendering box. It will take some time to render the whole edited video. Now you can view your video from your saved location. If you enjoy the video and feel helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button.